In this video, I will teach you how to add and remove item from the list using append, insert and remove function. So let's start this video. So let's create a list first, which will be called person, and this person is a list which will contain the person detail. So let's say we want a person name. I will put my name Pratik and weight 75.6 kg and height and age will be 24. And now is I am married or not? So it will be false, I am not married. So we have successfully created a list. Let's print it out. So we have the list of the detail of the person, which is me. Okay. What if we want to add one more item here? Like I want to add, for example, my height. Okay. So we already have created the list. So we have to append it now. Okay. So here come append function. By using append function, we can add item to the list after we created the list. So how we use append function? First we have to write the list name, list and dot append to append what we want to add inside it. Let's say we want to append the height, which will be 6 feet. Now let's enter and now let's print the list out. Person. So we have successfully added 6 inside the list, okay? But you can see that it is adding inside it in the last, okay? It is adding the item in the last of the list, okay? Let's add one more item. Person dot append, let's say 9. You guess it where it will add. Here, where, okay? Now print it out. We have appended 9. So whenever you append something, it will add it inside, it will add at the last, okay? So what if you want to add something at the start? For example, we want to add something after our name Pratik here, before 75.6 or after 75.6. So here comes insert function. So how to use insert function? So we will type the list name person, same way like we do it append. Here we will use insert function. And what we want to insert, before that we have to write the position. So you know the position start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will add at 1. We want to add it after Pratik, okay? So we will do 1 and what we have to add is his last name, which is Singh, okay? So now we will do enter and we will print it out and guess it where it will be, the last name Singh. You can see we have added it inside after Pratik, which is Singh. Let's add something else, which is Pratik Singh. Let's say we want to add whole name Pratik Kumar Singh. Okay, so we will do here Kumar, and so where we want to add it before Singh. Okay, so that will be 0, 1, and or after that, if we want to add after Singh, it will be 2. So let's add it after the Singh. So let's print it out. Pratik Singh Kumar. After Pratik we have added. Okay, what if you want to remove Singh from it? So here come remove function. So we can do is same way like we did it insert and append. Person dot remove, and what we want to remove is Singh. Oh, so we have done it with started with small letter. It is in capital letter started with. So keep in mind this. So it has successfully removed it. So now let's see Pratik Kumar. Okay. Now let's remove Kumar also. So just what you have to write here. Guess it. Kumar. Oh, sorry. Not capital. Like I already said, it matters if you are starting with capital or small letter or your whole word is capital or small. Okay. So here we have Kumar, all small letter Kumar. So it has removed, no error. Now let's print it out. Yeah, it has removed. If you want to build AI application exactly like this, you are in luck. I will teach you this inside my school community. You should click top link in the description that will take you to my school community. So first you will get the course where I will teach you how to create a character AI type AI SaaS which you can sell, where you can also accept payment. So we will be solving a real problem, not directly cloning character AI app, but solving a specific real world problem that requires same solution. Here we will be creating a wife AI app that let viewers talk to their dead wife in parallel universes. So when you go to your employer and apply for a job, you can show that you have a creative mind and you can solve real problems, or you can build this app to sell it, or you can use the same idea to create your own solutions for real world problems. By joining the program, you also get my personal assist. I will be there to help you whenever you need. For example, you get stuck to deploying your application, I will be there to help you deploy it. You have an idea for the application you don't know how to build, I will make a tutorial for you. If you have a bug you can't fix, I will help you to fix it. The program is currently $97 a month and $497 a year. I will highly recommend you to go with $497 a year, cause I will be increasing the program rate, cause it will take me a lot of effort, cause I am giving the course, fixing the bug, creating tutorials for your app idea, and available there to help you whenever you need. So see you in the course.